on at the bathroom.
Hello, dancer lady.
Auntie, me never hear you come in.
Because you're on here a dance.
No man, auntie, I just do nothing really a go on, some of us come around here go and practice.
Yeah, lock the side door for me, please.
Sir.
Come here. Alright, listen, Sure. I'm not object to you dancing. Okay, you know I have a problem with that. But I just want you to pay more attention to the bar. You leave the side door open. Anybody could have come in a while ago, take up anything and leave. Right? You practice your dancing, stand up in front of the doorway and do it. You can see and you can hear.
Sorry, auntie, I just feel me so excited.
Excited? Excited about what?
Because I do my first rehearsal yesterday with Miss Brissett.
Really? Nice. Then how it go?
It was really good, but you said we might have a show next week for Udo. That's why I practice so hard.
Practice? Sound like you're part of a dance group.
Seems like Miss Bissett will make sure be a part of the group where she from, the dance group.
Wow. Congrats, young lady.
Thanks, Uncle Kid. But this is something I really love.
Well, show me a man who is diligent in what he or she does, and you shall stand before kings.
That's why I'm stand up in front of King now.
Young lady, you flatter me, but I appreciate it. And I appreciate you being here.
Thanks, Uncle King. But auntie, may I go back in the bar?
No problem. You can do your dancing as we say. Just make sure you see what I'm going in there, alright?
Alright, no problem.
Very interesting young lady. I think I like her spirit.
Yeah, I like her spirit too. See, wherever you have positive people with positive energy, positive people follow you. And believe me, the sales people start coming at the bar, more people who never used to come. I guess them love our presence.
But it seems like Miss Brissett offer take her away from me, I know.
Well, if I saw in a bed, because this is our dream, I mean, I will long nobody dream.
Well, look on the bright side. It can still be a positive for us. Because we have our entertainment center. Very soon she can be our resident instructor. I teach our tourists and all these things.
That is it. And that is exactly what Miss Bissett always talk about. She don't really want to take with people. She just want to groom them, elevate them, make them become a better person.
Auntie, can you give me 1 minute, please?
Sure.
The table and chair them over rent, them come back on time, but 2 more places, 1 table.
Which 2 places?
Up at Jolly Cavalry and FIFA Land.
Them want it delivered or them come pick it up?
Them want we to come deliver it, but I call the delivery guy already.
Nice. Okay, as soon as them reach, call on. Yeah, as I say, as soon as them come, call me, let me get some guys to help pack them up in that group.
Alright, auntie.
So let me ask you something.
King man.
Cha-cha! I go on with Dada. Cha-cha. One king, long live the king.
Antigen, wow.
One blood of the Jano. Yeah, man. Yo, you know that son of normal, yo. Found the man. Come out of the son of the king.
This Jed, you know, say son of bun. Pick up yourself, mama. Fully active, you know. That is it, man. Oh, yeah.
Nothing, man. I found.
Jano, fall in there. First and foremost, the native restaurant meetings again, yes, as I know, we couldn't make it, but the double. Hope you have a job.
Yeah,
Vicious.
Out over there, you know.
That is it. City guy, I'm going to city little man car. Been a minute in a charging. Yeah.
Man, tell us it was a wonderful day to you know, King.
Yeah, that is it.
Line up a little man and go out a little surprise.
Yeah, man.
You see it?
So what you say? Must be set them go out with that thing for your eye.
Yeah, man, you know, King. And I want to tell you at first, me having a little get together like that, you know, really appreciate it. You know?
That is it.
You don't want to see my general face. The man frightening, you know me, Elda.
I know.
It is. You got a bottle and a party?
Yeah, man, I caught the dead, man.
I hope them tell us I'm in company now.
Yeah, man, I want to tell you, say, whisper did I show me pray, you know? Say, I'm straight from the queen, you know?
Yeah, man. You beat it like a slave, you know, man. A straight joy. That is it.
So when I need it, I could make the joy continue. I would have the magic. Because right now I feel like me that bone and a split. Yeah, man, so.
Excuse me a minute. Hello?
Now forward.
Where you want, Radcliffe? Where you call my phone so far? You surely happy? That none of your concern, brother. From your left up here, you call my phone, and all of a sudden from a Monday, every minute you call my phone, or you pop up on my place. What is the story? I'm quite alright. That is none of your concern. Just stop call my phone. 90% of the time, me and my man there together. So I know why you call my phone. I'm serious. Have a good day, sir.
Asha!
Yes, Uncle King.